Passato il cane?
Lascia. Orreati. Se la ria che ne mangiano tutta che io.
Vabbè.
Sen askana.
What you'll take from me today, sanity or just my breath away. It's hard to say, impossible for me to tell, while always walking on eggshells, who you're going to be from day to day. Today, I wish that we could go back to how we were before, but I don't think that I love you anymore. Wonder why it is that you don't see what you've changed since we first met. And it's killing me. I know that I will always miss the butterflies of our first kiss, and how you used to smile so easily. I wish that we could go back to how we were before, but I don't think that I love you anymore. It's too hard to keep pretending. It's too hard to ignore. I don't think that I love you anymore.
Aspetta. Ma quindi.
I'm sorry. I never thought that it would come.
Meta agarri ricevere. E poi
I know we'll never get back to how we were before, 'cause I know that I don't love you anymore. It's too hard to keep pretending. It's too hard to ignore.
allora per disfruttare.
I don't love you
E poi
anymore. I'm sorry.
e poi ciao.
Should've known all about it's true. Wait along for myself.
chilometro studio di Cigna.
Mama, ori ori.